Hi, I'm Isha, and I'm a sophomore at MIT living in Massey Hall, majoring in chemistry and biology. Welcome to my CS50 final project. I decided to make a linear algebra calculator website. This is the homepage for my site. In this table are each of the operations I have programmed, as well as a description of each operation and links to more information about those operations. If you click any given operation, you'll be taken to a page that asks you to input the number of rows or columns for the matrix or matrices you're operating on. So you can see that you can pick between 1 and 12 rows and 1 and 12 columns. If a user changes their mind about which operation they want to use, they can just click the back arrow to go back to this home page with all of the different operations. Now, if you enter in one set of dimensions but you neglect all or some of the other ones and then you hit submit, the calculator gives you an apology message that says that you must provide the number of columns for the first matrix that you neglected to do. Now, if I do correctly put in two sets of dimensions like so, and then hit the submit button, I'm taken to this page where I have to input the elements of the matrix or matrices I'm operating on. You can see that which operation that I am using right now is at the top in the banner of the page. Now, over here, this input takes in negative numbers, fractions, decimals, integers, and positive numbers. Now, if I put in only some of the elements here, and I neglect to fill out one or several of the boxes and hit submit, the calculator gives me an apology message that says that I must provide numbers for each index. Now, if I go back, and if I enter in something for each element, but I put in a non-number character such as the letter A, for instance, and hit submit, the calculator gives me the same apology message that says that I must provide numbers for each index. Now, if I do things correctly, and I put in, let's say, a 1, a 0.3, maybe a 2, and a half, for instance, and then hit submit. After submitting those elements, the final output page here shows the matrix inputted, or matrices in the cases of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the output matrix answer, or just a number in the case of the determinant operation. You can see that you can still see which operation you're using at the top of the page here, and the output page includes negatives and decimals as necessary. Now, to go back to the home page where all the matrix operations are housed, you can either click this matrix operations button or the title of the website here, which says Welcome to the Linear Algebra Calculator. And so both of these take you back to this home page over here, and the white help button on the top of the page takes users to a page that basically explains how to use the calculator if they need any help. And last but not least, the System of Linear Equations button of the calculator here takes users to a page that basically includes information about how they can use the Gauss-Jordan feature or operation built into my calculator to solve a system of linear equations. Happy calculating!